Hi, I'm Shalise. I'm an interior designer and property investor based in Malta. Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamed of moving to the Mediterranean, and now I help others turn that dream into reality. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, a design concept for a charming house that's up for sale in Sicily for just 27,000 euros. This property is located on the hillside just 10 minutes walk from the historic center of Ragusa. It's a historic stone property nestled amongst the greenery of the surrounding valley, accessible via a road that crosses a small stream. The house has a complicated layout because the main entrance of the house leads you into a common space whereby all of the other rooms are located, which makes it the best place to have the open-plan kitchen and living room. However, because the house is built into the hillside, this means that the living room doesn't have any existing windows. So let's look at how we can solve this issue. We started from the small entrance courtyard, which we opened to have big glass panels that allow natural light into the otherwise dark living space. In the living room, we opted to keep some of the natural stone features while modernizing the rest of the living space. Because the only source of natural light is from the main entrance door, we needed to make sure to use a variety of light sources in the space to make it feel bright and cozy at the same time. We created a built-in bench for the sofa to maximize the available space and to stay near the best natural light. The kitchen has a built-in island with seats for dining rather than a separate dining table, so we optimized the floor space. New internal doors and a neon light on the old stone wall highlight the contrast between new and old. Entering into the first bedroom, we find a large open space with a gorgeous built-in bed and wooden coffered ceiling. The window looks out onto the valley below, contrasting the rosy interior with the green exterior. We used a roughly textured wallpaper with classical motifs to hammer home the message of the ancient Italian space you find yourself in, and built-in storage above and below the TV unit for use as a wardrobe. The next door leads you into the main bathroom, which again has a beautiful view over the valley. The room is luxurious, featuring an old stone wall accented with travertine tiles and a chevron wood effect tile flooring. The shower is enclosed, which means you can use it as a steam room with double showers and a freestanding stone bathtub basin. The master suite is located at the rear of the house, accessible from the door close to the kitchen. This room features another built-in bed, however this time it has its own ensuite bathroom. The wardrobe is built into a nook opposite the bed featuring a themed wallpaper. There is a cozy lounge space towards the end of the bed with 2 armchairs perfect for a morning coffee and a built-in planter and bench seat in the opposite corner. The highlight of the master bathroom is this gorgeous wallpaper of Michelangelo's David behind a stunning glass bathtub by Italian designer Anthony Lupi. And that's it for today's tour. If you have more questions about this property and how much the renovation would cost for this project, please write me in the comments. And as always, I'm here to help you find your perfect property in Italy, either as a dream home or as an investment project. Get in touch with me in the comments or by email to start your project today, and see you in Italy.